Hi everyone, welcome to my cyberspace. In this video, I'm still talking about SSRS, but particularly I will talk about how to add a link or a custom link to SSRS report so that I could link to an external page or to a different report, or also how to add like a count to your reporting. Now let's dive right into it. So one of the things we'll see is imagine like when they click on the report and they select the department, the start date is I'll just try to go back. I just want to go back into 2008, choose this December. Yeah, so the more recent dates doesn't matter. So let's say after they view the report, they want to know the count, right? Instead of having to like count like how many testing they had or have to download this report to make it more user friendly. So we come back to the design. So we need to add a count to it. So you whatever you want to put the count. So we just right click and we insert a text box. So in the insert text box, I can put count. We just write something like total count. And that's not it, right? We still have to do something. So let me drag this a little bit right here, right? So for total count, so you make sure that when you click on this cross sign is showing, then you would right click. It's still not showing what we wanted to show. You have this, right? Then we'll click on expression. So when you click on expression, you see a bunch of things right here. So it's already whatever we had total count. So we click on data set. Data set that we're choosing is the human resources, and it's the business entity ID. So we just double click this. So when you double click this, so it's the sum of the field that it automatically double click. So we don't want the sum, we want to count. So we just do count. So when we count, and that's going to be, so we just click on OK. So let's run this and see. And I could just, before that, just say total count such that you can see what results is like, right? So click on preview. We choose all departments, start date again. Just have to come back and choose the previous right here. So any dates, I'm just choosing anything. It doesn't have to, so that this can at least show some form of data. View the reports. So the total count is supposed to show something, but I think something is covering it down here. So let's take this away. Yeah, so that's supposed to, but instead of dealing with the stress of taking that away, we just do this. So we do this right here, and we show 1990. So this is just a normal date filter that we showed in the previous video, and we'll see. It doesn't mean that the count will not work with this. We just have to, expand this box. A lot of times it's kind of stressful. Okay, I think I got the expansion now. So total counts. So imagine also they said, oh, when they click on the total count, they want to be able to like, they want it to direct them to a link. So let's like try to copy a link. So what happens is they want you to be able to direct them to a link. You just try to, so you click on, make sure you click on the box, body properties. When you click on body properties, not body properties, click on this. So yeah, so text box. So try to take this away, right? So it's just a lot of times it could be very annoying. Text box properties, yeah. So when we come to text box property, we come to action. Action is wanting to go to a URL. So I just put in the YouTube channel, and is so we'll see that when we click get this number, it will allow us to be able to overrun something. If you come here and select all, pick a date. So right now, yeah, we do select a date. If you report, so we click on, so now if I click on this, I can click on this. This takes me So the YouTube channel. So you see that is what we want to do, right? Um, that's that about that. So other things also you could play around is when you click on these, there is also like textbook properties, not this. So not the inside. Make sure the boxes are really outside textbook properties. And there's action. There is in case you wanted to go to a different report, in case you want to change the border. So a lot of times just play around something. In the next video I'll talk about like how to add more things. What do you do with the line, triangles, and all of that? So that's that about that. In case the video was valuable for time, do to subscribe, like, follow, and share. And see you in the next video. Bye.